Okay, so we're doing Nightmare?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure you want to do it on Nightmare? Because I'm good with Nightmare. I'm just wondering if no.
I'm good with Nightmare. Let's do this. Yeah! Dude, you're doing the moonwalk! Dude, look at look, you can do the moonwalk. Walk backwards.
Oh my god!
Dude, no way!
We call
Hey, just keep walking, just keep walking.
No!
More blood. Let's follow the bloody footsteps.
Yeah.
Oh! It goes to the wall!
Oh shit, dude!
Dude!
Goes off the wall!
Oh! Ah! Ah!
Alright, before you start it. Oh man, I can't go to the options from right here.
We're gonna do it on the hardest difficulty.
Yep.
Can I, I'm sorry, but can I leave and then join back because I need to change my settings?
No, it's fine.
For what?
I need to turn down the volume in my headset because I can't hear you.
Okay.
Just do it now. Why can't you do it now?
It won't, I can't see the options thing.
Oh, green thing!
Oh, look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh, God. It got him.
Who can else hear whispering? Can you guys hear whispering?
I can walk fucking fast. Dude, when I run, I legitimately run. It's cool.
Andreas, come here. Come here, boy. Or girl. I'm the only male. I am the alpha male.
Yeah, you think you're in charge? Fuck you, bitch. I'm the one in charge.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna make up names for you guys. Okay, so, Doctor, you're Jennifer, and Inhale is Tiffany. And I'm John. Ah!
Fuck. Not that way, homie.
Not that way.
I'm yelling Tiffany.
Dude, my character is so fucking slow. Wait
You
for me!
better run.
You
You
faggot!
better dance. I'm yelling, we left a dance. He is a bitch. There's the green dildo. Don't look at the dildo. It's gonna go
Holy shit, Doctor.
inside of me.
Your
Round
legs
one.
are just so weird.
Yeah, I run fast.
No, your legs
motherfucker.
just look weird. It looks like they're all bruised.
He beats me and he fills my vagina and shit.
Dildo, don't look at the dildo. I can hear it.
Ah, fuck, you know what? I think we made a circle.
We did.
I might charge after him.
Ah! Dang it!
Run.
God dang it! Oh, you got
Got me.
killed.
We did 6 seconds.
I just need to get lost. Oh, it's me. Oh, no, the rest of my it's me. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
This is like, yes, though.